These toxins, I was saying, they accumulate around us from everything, from dyes, colors, fillers, preservatives, parabens in our shampoos, our conditioners, microwaves, cell phones, planes, trains, automobiles. We go for mammos and CAT scans and MRIs and nuclear stress tests. These toxins accumulate. And when toxins accumulate, they cause toxicity. Toxicity, poison to our cells. That is no good. But again, the key is in our genes. There are ways we can activate certain genes and genetic highways and genetic switches so that our body revs up production of these good defenses it used to. Our super potent antioxidants, makes more mitochondria, detoxifies the cell so we can absorb more of the bad. So I hope this enlightened you on some of the things. Now, I don't expect you to have caught all of it, but even if you just made one or two little tweaks, that's so much further than you would have been. Maybe just get yourself some lead testers and check that mug that you're drinking out of every single day. And if it has lead, toss it to the curb. Maybe get yourself a water filter. Or perhaps instead of the Tupperware, you're putting like your lemons in a mug with the plate on top. Or you're putting your fresh cilantro in ceramic with a plate on top.